I try to be extra nice with the girls.
So, Miss Bellum, are you enjoying yourself?
The mayor! That little creep always wanted to get his hands on Octi!
Mine!
Mine!
Mine! Mine! Mine! Mine! Miss Bellum, what is the color of that dress again?
It's called Octopus Purple.
Octopus sushi? Octopus rolls?
Octopus ink ice cream?